Welcome to Rolly Studio Global, and today you are going to learn a patchwork which is exactly as Ari work, but it is much easier than Ari work, and you will love doing it because the materials used are so economic, and the clever way is using the same border of the sari. This is the sari what I said, and it has got a golden border which is very bright to see, and more than that the color of the sari is attracting everybody, and it is the combination of maroon and rose. So one side it is maroon thread, and another side it is the cross thread is the rose color, and this is the blouse. The second border of the sari is also the same gold, so it's a lovely sari and can be a very good party wear also. You can have this sari for multi-purpose, and this blouse is going to be designed so gracefully, and for that what you need is a stone chain and the little jardosi packet, and it is the ball chain. You just buy the ball chain which is used for making jewelries of quill work and thread work, otherwise it will fade. And this is the kundan stone, in white color glassy kundan stone, and round stones also, and some kundan stones of big size I have, and this is the multicolored stone chain, 4 meters of that. So what I am doing is cutting one side border of the blouse piece, other side border is used for 2 sleeves, and next side is only what I have here. And this cloth will definitely give us the same feel as the sari border, so exact matching we are going to make. So using the simple technique and the small piece of zari border, we are going to make a very big difference on the blouse, which is going to turn as a very pretty designer blouse. See, I have cut different sizes of daisy flowers, and see, one bigger, another one little smaller than that, and very small also, and leaves of different sizes. Better you can cut them in the chart first for tracing, so that if you have the reference, our cloth won't be wasted because we have limited cloth. So not to waste the cloth, better you don't first try in the cloth itself. So you can draw, rub and draw anything you can do on the chart paper, then cut it to a nice design with the symmetric or unsymmetric, that is your wish, and then come to the cloth. Using normal HB pencil, you draw the flower outline and leaf outline on the zari cloth. So ensure that whatever you draw will fall inside the zari, not that maroon color, and then nicely cut it off. Have a sharp scissor so that you can beautifully cut the flowers and leaves. See how nice the flower is. Now it has a problem which can be quickly turn off in the edges. See, these many we need. So to avoid the turn off of that, we are fusing it with the agarbatti. So this instant stick fire will nicely, very smoothly will fuse the ends, so that it won't come out, threads won't come out, and the shape won't be distracted when we fix it, and it will give durability to the design and much stable. See how nicely and easily I am doing, and care should be taken. Just a tip of that stick you just show on that, otherwise sometimes it will burn extra cloth also, which won't be nice. Again you have to redo the flower. For that we should have the cloth, since we have only one side border, try not to waste the cloth. See, this is the format I have in the blouse. See, all the pieces I fused already, and they are ready to be fixed on the cloth. First let us try the pattern to our satisfaction, and different arrangements can be done. So once rehearsal is over, we can fix them firmly on the cloth. So I am satisfied with this kind of arrangement. So all the pretty flowers are applied with gum. It's a normal Fevicryl gum, fabric gum, and very strong. It won't come off even when you wash it. Let it dry for a long time. Like that you fix all the flowers and leaves You can either use the same pattern, or as you wish you can arrange them differently also. And you can find one leaf, again one flower, and one leaf I little taken beyond the neckline of the blouse. That will be very nice, but the stitching must be done with most care. So all the flowers I fixed. Fix the cloth tightly in a frame so that the work will be easy. Otherwise, if the cloth is shrinking, then you will find some problem in fixing them tightly. So use the golden thread and have a safety stitch on that. After drying, drying itself is over because gum is strong, but to give extra durability, we are just making outline of the flowers and leaves what we have fixed already with the same color sieving thread in a machine. Even hand stitches, running stitches are okay. After that, very easy job I am doing. Leaf shape kundans, big kundans I had, no, that is fixed at the center of every leaf. The same way, the middle of the flower can also be fixed with the round kundan stone. All are white color stones only, and it's better to make a border with a golden ball chain. If not the golden ball chain, you can prefer sugar beads also, and just to stick them with a needle and thread, small size 0 size needle and a thread. That will take more time, so I always prefer the golden ball chain. Next, what I am doing here is the outline for the blouse, and this outline is done with the stone chain, and it is slightly multicolor. Stones are not multicolor, but every stone, when it turns this side and that side, will give a light tint of all the colors, and then arrange them with the forceps so that it looks so beautiful and perfect. Like that, do the outline for the flower petals also. And flower petals, when you try to bend the stone chain, the bend won't be sharp end, so that you have to cut it, and every petal of the flower can be done individually. Measure the length, cut the stone chain, and then restart the fixation, so that you will get exactly the shape as you cut with the knife. So all the flowers are done in the same way, and let them dry. But you can find few places I did not do with the stone chain, because that stone chain will disturb the machine while we stitch it. So let us complete the neckline first, and then we will stick the stone chain on that. See, remaining little more works are there, so that we will finish them also, because it would be easy when we do all this work when cloth is fixed on the frame. So that what I am doing is a simple work, giving outline to the stone chains. See, this can be done carefully again. So all the flowers and leaves I have done in the same way, and another work is being done. What is that? See, we had small kundan stones also. So the center of the flower is decorated with the small kundan stones, which will add beauty to the flower. Now every flower can be joined to a creeper, so you will get a bunchy look, and that can be done with again stone chain and the ball chain. It is your wish, even ball chains enough here, but I used stone and also the ball chain. Stitching work will be easy in the frame. So what I am doing now is Jardosi, giving outline to the stones which we have stuck now at the center of the flower. Better you go with 1 inch of Jardosi. That Jardosi will exactly cover the stones. See how I am fixing them. Insert the needle take the needle out from the same place, and then two sides alone you give a tag for the Jardosi. So it's typically like the Ari work. See how beautifully it is done. See, eyes are stolen, exactly telling. Now let me show you how I am going to stitch it, because 2-3 places are projected even outside the neckline. So very carefully, very slowly also you go with the outline. See, already there are stitches, safety stitches we have given. So using that as the reference, you go for the very slow stitch. That's it. After that it is going to be the round neck. See, even cutting can be done so carefully and slowly, so the design won't be disturbed even after stitching. See, this flower and one leaf and another flower, another leaf are projected little outer. How nice, no? Then it is the time to cover them with the stone chain as well as ball chain. Patience is needed, my dear. So with patience we can achieve anything. More than that, patience is also needed. Patience and patience are two beautiful words for the success of anybody. See, what you have is now the small stones. Using them I am filling the whole blouse that will support the creeper design what we have done beautifully, and then only it is fulfilled. Now see, the double line stone chain is used for fixing both the sleeves and also the front neck. Front neck is completed with the border. We have extra border even after cutting the flowers and leaves. That border I have used cleverly for the front neck, which elevates the blouse nicely, and it can be done with running stitches with the same color needle, or you can iron it also, but I don't prefer ironing, I just stitch them. Now the last job is to secure whatever we have stuck. It is done with only the fabric gum. Fabric gum is okay, but you have to be very careful while washing. Machine wash is not advisable. You can go for dry wash, or better you do the safety stitches for all the places wherever you used ball chains and stone chains. So see, the design is over. How nice. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like the video, please subscribe, share and like. Please inform to your friends to watch my videos regularly. Thanks for watching my videos. Bye bye.